Hello, it's Martin from Creox. In this video, we're gonna use Context7 MCP server to help us develop 3D model viewer with xeokit SDK. We will use Cursor as our IDE and coding agent. Simplest way of adding a new MCP server is via Cursor Tools MCP website, simply by pressing Add to Cursor and then install. Context7 tool is ready to use. And now our prompt. Make sure to use Cursor Context7 MCP, create 3D model viewer with xeokit SDK, load my model from URL, add navcube plugin in bottom left corner. When I hover with my mouse on entity, make it highlighted and show entity volume. Here we can see that we use the MCP tool to get the latest docs from xeokit SDK. Okay, seems fine. Yeah, let's use latest. That's it. Happy coding. Bye.